Hey, welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add a contact form in your WordPress website. So first of all, you'll have to log into your WordPress dashboard. So I have already logged in. I'm going here. This is my WordPress dashboard. And after that, I'm going to add a new WordPress plugin, a contact form plugin for adding a contact form in our website. So for that, I'm hover over here on plugins, and after that, click add new. Okay, from here I'm going to add a new contact form plugin, and after that type here WP Forms. Okay, WP Forms. This is a really great plugin in WordPress repository for creating WordPress forms. Okay, so you can see that it's showing us the form here, WP Forms by WP Forms. This plugin have more than 3 million plus active installs. Okay, so I'm just simply clicking here, install now. It's installing, and after that you'll have to activate this. Simply click here, activate. Okay, and this will take us to the next page. You can see that this is the page from WP Forms. Okay, we don't want to work in this page. It's just a marketing page. Okay, it's a promotional page from WP Forms. So what you will have to do is simply click here WP Forms. Okay, click here WP Forms, and after that simply click here add new, and from here you can add a blank form. You can use their template. You can add a newsletter form. You can add suggestion form, etc., etc. There are lots of different types of forms. So I'm going to add a simple contact form. Okay, I'm simply clicking here, create a simple contact form. It's loading. This will create us a new simple contact form. So it's taking a few second time. Alright, you can see that this is our new contact form. Okay, so after that simply click on save. Okay, and I'm just simply clicking here exit. And let's see that how we can use this contact form, how we can show this contact form to our front end. So for using this contact form, you have to copy this shortcode here. I'm just simply copying this, and after that click on page. Alright, from here you can add this form to any existing page, but I want to create a new page. That's why I'm clicking here add new. I hope that all of you guys know that how to create a page in WordPress. It's really easy. Okay, just simply click on add new, and after that this will give us new options for adding a new page, where we can add the page title and the shortcode that we have get from WP Form. So simply I'm giving here a title of the page, contact us. Okay, and then simply click here this block. Sorry guys, not this block, this plus icon here, and after that add a new block, WP Forms. Okay, and from here click select a form. Okay, and from here click this simple contact form. Okay, this is the form that we're going to use. Okay, so this is the view, and you have remembered that we had copied a shortcode. So simply you can click here if you want to use the contact form by that shortcode. Then and after that type here a shortcode. I mean search here, and then click here, and then paste the shortcode that we have get from WP Forms. Okay, we have successfully added this to our front end, and after that simply click here publish. Alright, so let's go and view the page. So view, open link in a new tab. So this is the contact form. We have add two different contact form in our front end in two different style. Okay, so I'm just deleting this one. I don't want this one. No, I am deleting this blocks right here. Okay, remove block. You can use your shortcode or the block one, whatever you want. I'm again updating this. Okay, and then simply reload this page, and after that you can see that I have only one contact form here. Okay, so let's go and see that how we can add this contact us page at our menu. So simply go to your WordPress dashboard, and so after that I'm just clicking here, at this three dots, and after that I'm unchecking this full screen mode. Okay, so simply click here, and after that for adding this contact us page to our navigation menu, simply click on appearance, and after that click on menus. Okay, and from here you can see that we have these options to add this page to our menu. Simply select this item from here and then click on add to menu. Alright, and then don't forget to save the menu. I'm just clicking here, save menu, and then reload this. Okay, so you can see that this is our contact us page. Okay, so it's a really nice contact form. So let's see that how we can change the settings, how we can change the style, etc., etc. of this form. Okay, so for changing the settings and style of this form, you will again have to come here, WPFORMS. Okay, and after that simply select the form that you want to edit. I want to edit our simple contact form. Okay, simply click here, simple contact form, and this is loading from where we can edit the contact us form, and you can see that this is the form. And after that if you want to edit this field style, simply click to edit. Okay, and after that you will get this option at the left hand side of your screen, and from here guys you can see that you can change the label. This label is this one. Okay, I'm just simply changing this here, your name. You can see that it's changing. Okay, and after that you can also add a description here. I'm just adding a description. This is the field for the person name. Okay, you can see that we have a description here. You can keep it blank, but I'm giving a description here. Okay, and if I save this and go back to the front end and again reload this contact us page, you'll be able to see the description here. Okay, it's really easy. And guys, do you want to make this required? Yes, I want to make this required. The user must have to fill out this form. Okay, else this is not going to submit as the form. It's going to show us a message, you must have to fill out this form. Okay, so after that if I click here advanced options, from here you can control the size of this field. Simply click here, you'll get three different options. By default small, medium, by default it's medium, and if you want to make this large, simply click here large. I want to keep this large. Okay, you can see that, and after that simply save here. And if I again come back to front end and reload this page, you can see that the form field have became so bigger. Okay, and again if I want to add or edit this email field, simply click here. Okay, and after that you'll get the option to edit your email field, and from here you can add your label. I'm just simply typing here your email. Okay, and after that you can add your description. I'm not adding this, it's almost same like the name field here. Okay, and you can simply change the size of this field from advanced options and scroll down below, and from here make it large. I'm making it large. Okay, so that's all. And if you want to add a new field here, what you will have to do, simply click on fields. Sorry friends, not in fields. You will have to click here add fields. Okay, this tab right here. Okay, add fields, and after that if you want to add it, suppose we want the user to add their email address, sorry, not email address, we already have that, their phone number, then simply you can drag these numbers to here. Okay, these fields, number fields, you can see that we have a beautiful number fields right here. And if you want to edit this, it's the same. And after that, for editing this, you have to click here, click to edit. And after that, you can easily change the numbers level. Enter. I'm just typing here, enter your phone number, and you can give a description. I want to tell them to give their personal number. Give me your, or I'm just typing here, give us your personal number. Okay, and after that, I want to change the size of this field. For that, but before that, I want to make this required. The user must have to give his or her number. For that, I have to record this. Simply check this, and after that, simply click on Advanced Options, and then scroll down below, and from field size, make it large. Okay, you can see that it turned into large. Okay, so that's how easy it is to editing the fields options. You can add, you can change the size of the fields, etc, etc. Okay, and then save here, and again I'm coming back to my front end and then reloading this. Alright, so friends, you can see that this is our forms. We have added an extra field, phone number. You will have to type here number. If you type here alphabetic letters like A, B, C, D, E, F, Z, H, this is not going to take that number. Okay, so you must have to enter your phone number here. Okay, so you can see that it's showing us this field is required because we have kept this field empty. Okay, so this message is showing us because we have make this field required. Okay, and the next thing what I want to do is simply change this submit button. So I'm clicking here, submit, and after that you'll get all the settings related to this button right here. So from here you can change the submit button text. If I want to change this label text into send message, I'm just simply typing here send message. Okay, and then MESS message, and I'm clicking here save, and you can see that before reloading the page this is showing us submit, but if I reload this right now it's showing a send message. Okay, this is how easy it is to change the style label text of this button. Okay, and after that, let's see that how we can change the email address. I mean the receiver's email address, the admin email address, you can say set. So for changing the email address, you will have to click here notifications. Alright, so by default you can see that we have send to email address field here where there is a small shortcode. What is called shortcode? It's an advanced topic, you don't have to understand this. This is the default admin email address. Just remember that this is the admin email address. So which is the email address that we have used for our WordPress admin. I mean, if I click on dashboard, okay, simply I'm clicking on dashboard, and from here if I click on users, I'm clicking here users, and you can see that this is the email address that the administrator have, and this is the email address which is going to receive all the messages of which the user is going to send us through the contact form. Okay, so if you want to change this email address, you can simply remove this and add your email address. I'm just entering my own email address, au85093@gmail.com. Alright, and then you can change the email subject, and then you can change the form name. You can change the form from email. Okay, I'm just simply changing it this one. Okay, I'm just changing this, and that's how easy it is to create the whole contact form. And I'm just simply saving this contact form. Don't forget to save this, guys. Okay, if you don't save changes, then nothing is going to work. So friends, I'm just again clicking on fields. This is how our contact form looks, and I'm coming back to my front end, I'm just clicking visit site from here and then contact us. So you can see that this is the beautiful contact us form that we have created. So you can really easily create this forms using WPFORMS plugin. Okay, so that's all for today. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. And if you face any problem, then don't forget to comment down below. Okay, so goodbye, see you in the next video. Ta-da!